Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And for those who have not been here before, we welcome you also, and hopefully you'll become a subscriber and a supporter of Couch Potato Cafe. Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions about the issues with the Firestick 4K and the new operating system. You know, the kind of problems that my type of viewer might have problems with. Now, Amazon has been making their firmware software very proprietary. Now it's going to start limiting the access to, say, streamers services other than their own, like Amazon Prime and, you know, other certified services out there. Now, if you're an older user of the, let's say, iPhone, you may remember that having to go through quite a process of jailbreaking to get into that software and add on stuff, you know, services and so forth, normally would not be allowed to do. Now I see it coming for the stick pretty soon, where they're going to devise vaults, so you have to choose their products instead of side-loading APKs for other services. You got to remember, Amazon doesn't care about if they lose you as a Fire Stick user. Now, if you're only interested in streaming other not so legal, I guess, services from others, because there are millions that are not like you that have no problem paying every month for the same old thing. Now, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you an alternative that may just be better than the Firestick 4K. Now, I'll try to stay on top of all the Firestick stuff in future videos because I don't want you left out in the cold. If you got Firestick 4K users that will not give it up for anything. Here's what we got going. Look, most of you seen me doing unboxing videos. That will just waste time. Now, I'm just going to show you real quick what you get. Hey everybody, sorry for interrupting this video. I gotta tell you, we're giving one of these away. It's an Android TV box that is fully loaded. Go to the video that I have listed down below for your chance of winning. Better hurry, they're going fast. Okay, it comes with its own box, and this is a nice small box. You can put it anywhere. Okay, you get that. You get the HDMI cable. You get the remote control. Pretty good to very good quick start guide, and some two-sided tape. And I'm pretty sure that's just so you can stick it on the back and put it on the back of your TV if you like. Okay, now the build feels good on it, actually. It does feel, you know, nice. It feels solid. You don't hear anything in it. It is plastic. It's small, you know, so that's kind of nice. Now, as far as the remote goes, as you can see, it is small also. It's a actual size and just thicker than the nvidia Shield remote. Which brings me to another point that you need to remember. This is not an nvidia Shield, okay? This is a $20 TV box, under $20, okay? That will work great for a majority of the people out there. I'm sure of it. With this type of box, everything is certified. That's a bonus, guys, such as no limitations on programs like other boxes may have, along with not having the threat of back-end software, you know what I'm saying? Malware, getting your various login informations, or maybe using the box as a satellite unit for, you know, passing internet through. Now, malware, everybody's going, okay, what are they doing with that? You know, unscrupulous, boy, I'm really throwing those words out. Unscrupulously, others can unscrupulously put malware on your boxes. The malware boxes can use your internet for automated clicking on or viewing ads all over the world for a profit. Okay, enough on that. Now, this isn't going to be a setup video or anything like that. It's more of a get to know you kind of thing. For, you know, some of those out there that don't see the benefits of this ONN 4K TV box. I have an in-depth video coming out shortly on a complete guide to getting every ounce out of this box and why I think it will be the go-to for Firestick users. Hey, let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. Okay, as it boots up, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pair the remote by holding the home and the arrow key as shown. Pairing is complete. It really is simple and fast. Okay, we are in the United States, so it will be English, United States. We're gonna be United States there. Set up with Google Home app, which a lot of people, if they have a Android phone with Google on it, It has that in it, but you can always look for it in the Play Store for Google Home app. It's kind of nice because it will, put all your devices into one where you can control all of them from one. It is kind of a nice thing to do, and it's easy setup on other things that are Android. And has a splash screen here, Okay, so let's go ahead and go over here and go up top. And we're gonna go, okay, we got the Wi-Fi, you got Bluetooth in case you want to add headphones or anything like that. Screensaver. You can set up a kid's profile if you like. It's always kind of cool because it's on the remote. It has a little guy little guy looking thing, icon that you press that and it will go to this and you can add another account and so forth. So let's go ahead and go back out of that. Let's go ahead and hit the gear icon that's on the remote and it takes you to this, which is kind of nice. But you can just click on the gear there. Now you can set up all kinds of things here. Your internet, sign up, privacy, your apps, your system, your remotes, accessories. Let's go ahead and jump over here and go about. Looks like I put it as a living room TV. You can do a factory reset, model. It's an Android 12. Let's look at storage here a minute. Now, it says it has 5.1 gigabytes of storage. We go over here and we go down to here. What's available is 3.6. So all the information that's on there now, all the APKs that are loaded up, or apps or what have you, there's 3.6 gigabyte left, but you can always expand it, and I'll show you that in the upcoming video. Now, with all these services here, you do need an individual account for each one of them. So you're paying monthly for each one of them. But if you look at Netflix, I do have a video that tells you exactly how you can get it for a whole lot less, along with Disney Plus and and Prime and so forth. But I'll link it in the description or up top here or something like that. Okay, let's go ahead and get back out of this. And here you can pick out all kinds of movies. You can, if they're in your service that you already have, it'll be listed. If you're not, you're gonna be looking at like Oppenheimer for 20 bucks. Let's see, and then you can go down action movies, comedies, and you go to apps. Like I said, there's Pluto. You got Tubby already in there, Haystack, Plex, Z5, which you have in there already. These are ones that you could put in later. We're gonna show you all that coming up. I think you're really gonna like, see, all these are here that you can load up on this thing. Don't do too much until you can expand the drive on it. But if you're looking for a new, let's say, or you can go Surfshark. And that way you can use your voice control and it'll bring it up. And it works wonderful there. Surfshark. Now I put this on every single one of my devices. And I do this for many reasons. I've been hit before. My information was stolen. Somebody went to France and spent lots of money on credit cards and so forth. So I didn't have it on there. And I was kind of in between. And I haven't had a problem since. And this Surfshark is just a fantastic app. But we'll go over that more later. Now we go live TV. We can click on the remote and it's there. And what you see here is usually it's going to be mostly Pluto. And I tell you what, if you have not seen Pluto before, this is a fantastic program that is free. But as you can see, it has throwback shows, it has all kinds of things. Love boat, all right. You can go up here and it, based on your viewing and so forth, it'll show up what you like, you know, what kind of in your genre, what you're usually looking for. Walking Dead, who doesn't like zombies? Come on. Okay, let's go ahead and go down here and let me show you something here. We'll go to YouTube. Now I'm running on internet Wi-Fi with this thing. Like I said, about 200 feet away from the router itself. So we're not gonna get, now this is all 8K. There's no way I'm gonna be able to pull in 8K on this, but I was toying with this and it was pulling in it was pulling in 4K. Okay, let's go ahead and put in, this is a 12K 60 frames per second. We're gonna adjust that a tad. Okay, now we're gonna let's go ahead and turn on some stats here. Now this is 360. Let's go to 2160 by 60 and stats. It pulls in 4K better than some of these more expensive boxes, I should say. So, you know, this really has impressed me. So let's go ahead, we'll go ahead and get on out of there. Let's try another one here, just to see. But just so we can watch this a second, this is just beautiful here. And as you can see, no skipping, no pausing, no anything. Hey, let's go ahead and get out of this thing, and I'm gonna go over what I like, don't like, and that kind of thing. All right. Hey, before I tell you my take on this box, if you're still watching, I appreciate it. And maybe you can go ahead and click that thumbs up right down there to like this video. It sure would help the channel out. And maybe subscribe if you haven't already done that. Thanks guys, I sure appreciate the support. Okay, my take on this box is, I like it better than the Chromecast. I think this is as good or better than the Firestick 4K, especially with what we know is coming out or believed to be coming out to all their Fire products. Now the Firestick 4K was just a hair faster, and I mean just a hair. So, and not on all programs, just under 60% of the time that it was slower than the Firestick 4K. And all for $20. This is a real player. More so after you watch my upcoming video on how to set this dude up and get the full guide on this box. Now, is this going to be a replacement for your nvidia or BuzzBox? No. Is this going to be a gamer? No. For the price and performance of this O&N streaming box, you can have one in each room of your house. For those who are looking for a good straight streaming device for a lot less, this could fill that spot. Now I'll put it right here for you. That way you can't miss it and maybe get a chance of winning one of those bad boys. Also, if you're looking to save a ton of money on primary services such as Netflix, Max, Disney Plus, and more, check out this video right here, okay? You're gonna like it, save money, big time savings. Now I'm still testing this and it's been running like a champ. I'm really excited about that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them and let us know what's up. Or just say hi because I love to hear from y'all. Hey, if you want to go ahead and give us your favorite joke, we all like to smile and it kind of brings everybody's happiness up. I'll see ya.